Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, I had a short break, holidays, and then we are back to the kitchen. We're gonna start making a meat tartar with a mayo sauce, with avocado, and we are gonna use some maniok to on the side of our tartar, yeah? So we're gonna start making a mayo sauce. Those are all the ingredients. I will leave them down here in the description or just in this picture I'm taking now. So it's quite easy. We're gonna start making a mayo. We're gonna of course, I don't want to use a whole yolk because it will be like too much. Yeah, I'm gonna use like 2 spoons of yolk. Yeah, I'm gonna add some mustard. I am also adding a little bit of mayo spicy with Sriracha. Yeah, just slightly touch. Yeah, I'm gonna add some pepper, little bit of salt. I'm gonna add also capers. I add like 10. I will also add some coriander. Just at the beginning, just roughly chop like that. I will add some sourness with lemon juice, half of it. Now, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil actually. And we're gonna start. So, and now we're gonna add that kind of half of avocado. Just carefully here. And you can help yourself with a spoon to remove the avocado. This edge is here a little bit, and this here. It's very hard to find real avocados here in Germany, so actually we can throw this away. And now we are gonna just continue mixing it, okay? Actually blending it. So let's make a test here. We need a little bit more spicy. And I will add some capers too. And I will squeeze the rest of the half of a lemon. So, and I will do our mayo. Gonna finish it up and I'm gonna just place it on a container onto the fridge, okay? And then we'll continue to make the charcoal to smoke our meat. We're gonna cut now our meat. I will show you now and how the mix looks like. And this is a fillet, yeah, a loin fillet. And then we will smoke it outside. No, not outside. I'm gonna turn my charcoal outside on, and then I will bring it here. We're gonna do a smoke indoor. I'm gonna show you that. Yeah. Okay. So let's continue. So right now it's quite easy. You get one of those containers and you wrap it with alu foil. It will turn like it, and you just place it on the middle on a pot, and the pot needs a lid on top of it. So we're gonna make this circumference here. We need this to place our meat on. And here our charcoal, I'm gonna cover it, okay? So I will show you now. We are gonna do the meat cuts. We're gonna place it on here. I will show you later on. Right now it's quite easy. You get some charcoal with one of those, and you're just gonna place this there, and just turn lighter, course. And we just need them to be white. The charcoal needs to be white, right? That means really, really, really fire on it, okay? I'm gonna show you right now and later on. So this is just the beginning while it's turning on, and later on I will show you when the charcoal is completely white. So let's wait, and now let's go to the meat. Right now it's time for our meat. We are gonna cut it in like around 2 centimeters, or just around small pieces. I'm gonna place this on the side of our top. Now I will show you how I'm gonna do it, and let's keep it on. We have our charcoal, we have our mayo ready, and we got some maniok here being defrosted to make some fries with it. So let's concentrate here and just shake it out. Right now we're gonna do our cuts. Let's get started. This is around 500 grams piece. We're gonna just do this. Look, just like 1 centimeter around. I will cut it. Just like you see. For this last one, it's gonna be a little bit thinner, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. And now what we need to do is just now slices like this. Stripes, so yeah, and then we're gonna proceed to cut it like squares, just around this side. You see, just 1.5 to 2 centimeters. And what I meant to is we're gonna just place this on the side of our pot. Just try to separate a little bit, of course. So I will cut this and be back. Now look what I did. I cut all the meat, place it just on the side, and now we're gonna put our charcoal here, and we're gonna top it with 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna cover the lid. It will smoke inside this pot. It will be an indoor smoking, okay? Well, this is what we're looking for, yeah? This is our charcoal, completely white, and now we are ready to smoke indoor. We are back. I was just bringing the charcoal on the inside. Look, completely on. We're gonna place it on the middle. The container we prepare with olive foil, just to not damage it. Yeah? Just carefully place on the middle. Let's put this on the side. And right now we have to be speedy. I got some olive oil, I got the lid, and I got some butter, 2 tablespoons butter. We're gonna place the butter on top of the charcoal and just quickly just cover it with the lid, and we're gonna put some weight inside because we are doing it indoors, so we don't want the smoke around it. We want smoke just inside, okay? And we're gonna leave it for around 10 to 15 minutes, yeah? So now butter, speedy. And some weight. And that's it. So we got a little bit of smoke, of course, it has to be, but we can perfectly do it inside. We open one window and we will be there for around 10 to 15 minutes, and that's it. And then we got the smoke on our meat. So I will wait, and I will cook my maniok for the side of this, and let's see. Well, after the time has gone, it's around 20 minutes. This is our meat. Let's remove this. We're gonna remove this from the side. And wow, you can feel the smoke here, just wow. Now we are gonna continue. Then now on our cardboard, we're gonna place our meat. Fully smoke. And the procedure will now continue with our knife. We're gonna do like ground meat, but with knife. I got 2 knives, and we're gonna just chop it like this, yeah? and like this until we get a ground meat. As I just showed you, I'm gonna just use my knife. Of course, they got to be quite sharp, and 2 knives is easier to cut. You can also use only one. I'm gonna start with this one, yeah? This is what we need, yeah? And with the 2 knives, it's just like chopping it, like. Until we got a kind of ground meat, kind of a paste to make our tatar. I will keep doing it and I will come back once I finish it, okay? Look, we are just getting there. We're just gonna do a small up and down turn, just to make sure we cut all our meat, yeah? Just back to the middle and just back. And now we're gonna season it. We're gonna add some capers, some salt. I got sea salt here. We're gonna add some mustard as well. And some ground pepper. Now we're gonna continue chopping and mixing, and of course that the capers get chopped and together with the meat. Just the same procedure, yeah? Once we got our meat fully chopped, look, this looks like a paste, yeah? It's time to add a little bit of spicy paprika, yeah? And regular, not spicy paprika. And we are just, after that, just ready to serve, yeah? Just mix it together and we will be ready to serve once we got our maniok fritters ready, yeah? So I will keep moving here and I will catch you up later. Well, now it's time to set it up. I am using kitchen rings. I'm placing my tatar just there, and I got, as you may see, I got my fried maniok on the side, and I will just add a first layer of the tatar. As you may see, I'm gonna push it a little bit, the other one as well, and just halfway, yeah? And after that, well, I need a little bit of more meat here, just to make full the half of the ring, and with only the half of it, because I'm gonna use my mayonnaise to bring all this creamy and taste to the tatar, yeah? This is the mayo we prepare, just like that. And now I'm gonna top it with the other half of the tatar. That means on a different plate, I'm gonna make the other half of the ring. I'm gonna top it as you may see it, yeah? And after I top it, I will do with my hand a little bit, kind of a small hole, just to place our yolk there, yeah? As you see, I'm small hole there for our yolk, yeah, like you see it. And now just a little bit of our spicy mayo with a yolk on it. There you go. And now it's just kind of a little bit of decoration. I'm gonna make some drops with the mayo and with the mayonnaise and with the spicy mayo. Both are mayos, but I'm gonna with some kind of drops, and I'm gonna finish it with a little bit of sweet paprika on top. You can add also some chili flakes or anything you like. Also a little bit of fresh coriander, as it is a main ingredient for our sauce, so that will do it. So if you are till here so far, I hope you like it. I hope you replicate it. If you have any questions, just please leave them here in the bottom box. I just answer them quite quickly, yeah? So look at this. I hope you like it. Take care, and I wish you a nice day.